All right, let me get it.
Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
What's up, party people? It's your boy Jay weighing in at 199.4 pounds, which isn't bad considering it was a rest day. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jay. I was up super late last night, so I'm pretty tired today. I'm going to keep it simple today. We're just gonna walk. I was gonna hit a big workout in the podcast today, but plans shifted. So it's decent outside. So I'm gonna go for a little stroll outside, come home, hit the sauna, and that's all it's gonna be today. It's gonna be nice and chilling, just because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. And then the goal is to hit a podcast and a big workout tomorrow. Yeah, today we'll keep it kind of easy. We'll weigh in, and that'll be that. Yeah, some days can be simple. I think we're gonna hit that 195. I don't know what I weigh in right now, but I think we're gonna hit that 195 by the end of this week for sure. I'm feeling good. Folks staying dialed in with my eating and stuff, so yeah, it's a little tired because I didn't sleep well. I was up all night. That's my own fault, you know. Yeah, I think that's all there is to say today. I hope y'all are having a good week. Make sure you go pre-order the vinyl. All right, anyways, more love, more success. It's your boy, Jay. Yeah, so today was a pretty simple day. I was up late, so I decided to just walk for a little bit, went for a little bit of a walk outside. I think an hour walk total, and then sat in the sauna for 30 minutes. So to be hitting 199.4 on a day like this, I'm feeling good. I'm confident I'm going to hit that 195 this week. It's going to be a good week. I'm feeling pretty hype about everything, yo. So my youngest sibling Ella got this protein. It's like $5 for all this servings. It's vegan. It's mostly pea protein, 120 calories per scoop. So I'll be drinking this more. And then dinner tonight is this thing my mama made. It's like cabbage, meat, and tomato sauce. So I'll have a couple bowls of this. We're gonna have a couple of huge bowls. That and the protein shake, 1,500 calories, 150 grams of protein. Easy day.